guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lyasia. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. So today I will be doing a quick wash and go and first impression product review type of thing on the Mielle Organics products. I'll be using the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel and also the Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. That was a mouthful. I've never used these products before, so you will be seeing me use them for the first time, and then I'll be giving my honest review and thoughts on them at the end. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Just click that little red button that says subscribe. It's right there. You can't miss it. So now that you're all subscribed to my channel and part of the family, let's just jump right into this video. So per usual, I will be starting on freshly washed hair. And then on smaller sections, I'll be taking my spray bottle and just re-wetting my hair so that it's nice and wet. Next up, I'll be taking the Brazilian Curl Cream and adding this to the section, really working it through and moisturizing my hair. And I did notice that the cream is really lightweight, so you'll see me go back in and adding some more. Next, I'll be taking the styling gel and again working that through this section, starting from roots all the way to the ends, smoothing it into my hair, making sure that my hair is evenly coated. And you guys already know that the shingling method is always my method of choice. So that's what I'm doing because it just gives me the best results. So I'll just be repeating those same steps throughout my entire head, applying the curl cream, adding the gel on top, and then shingling. And for the front, I'll be taking my brush and some Eco Styler gel just to flatten and lay down the front section of my hair on each side. And I typically would add some bobby pins to hold it in place behind my ear, but somehow I completely forgot to do that. And now my hair is ready to diffuse. So guys, these are the results after using the Mielle Organics products. I want to give just a little product review, being that this is my first time using these products. So I want to let you know my thoughts and if I would use them again or not and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. Starting with the Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. It is a very lightweight cream, which I typically don't use much of. My hair can really hold thick products and heavy products, and my hair responds well to those kind of products. So this is a little bit different from me. The texture feels more of something that I would use as like a leave-in conditioner. I just know my hair stays moisturized longer when I use thicker, heavier creams. So, but I still think that this is a really good cream. It does feel moisturizing. I'm gonna give it a little smell again. It does have a nice smell. It smells like grapefruit, which I wonder if there's grapefruit in here. Going forward, I think this is something that I would use again. I probably would use it as a leave-in, maybe, possibly. So on top of the cream, I went in with the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. Now this one I was really excited to try because I've been looking for another gel or alternative to use. And when I went live on Instagram a while ago, a lot of my supporters was on there saying that this is a good gel to use, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. So I was really excited and had high expectations for it, and it did live up to the hype. I believe it is a really good gel. It's kind of light and like a jelly. It reminds me of the Camille Rose Curl Maker, which is my jam. I love curl maker, so it does have a similar texture to that, which is nice. This gel is lightweight, but it did leave a slight titsy bitsy gel cast. And it wasn't even all over. It was in smaller parts, smaller sections, probably parts I added a little more gel too. It's really easy to break a gel cast. You just take some oil and kind of like break it, which is what I did. It was such a small amount of gel cast that honestly, who cares? Overall, I think it's a really great gel. I'm happy to have it in my collection now because I'm trying to stay away from Eco Styler so that me and my hairstylist don't have to get into it anymore. She wants me to throw it out, throw it away, never purchase it again. I know, unfortunately, it gives me some bomb results, but I don't want it to cause long-term damage to my hair. So I'm really looking to like cut it out because usually I reach for it whenever my curl maker runs out. But now I just need another alternative. So I think this gel is a really great gel that I'm excited to incorporate into my routine. I love the way my hair came out. Like, it's really good. My hair feels soft. It is defined. Right now, this is like volume. That's usually like day 2, day 3 volume. So I'm not mad at it. I don't know what my hair is gonna look like on day 3. Since it's already really voluminous, but we'll see. I really don't mind it being this much volume from the beginning. I actually kind of like it. So we'll see how it holds up. So overall, my thoughts are, if you're a person who your hair needs thicker, creamier creams, I don't know how you would feel about it. So if you are someone who really likes lightweight creams because your hair is fine and heavy creams weigh it down, you really love it. So going forward, I probably would use it as a leave-in conditioner versus a cream styler. As far as in the gel, I love the gel. It's a great gel. It gives great definition, definitely a keeper. For sure, I will be using this. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you've tried these products before, leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on them. Also, before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you are always in the loop. I need you in the loop. I film these videos for you, so I need you to be in the loop and I need you to watch them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you at my next upload. Crack it.